Hello, what did you get, Julie?
Guys, finally, I got one. First one this year. And God bless me for more.
Okay.
Us. So we're gonna just go like this. And then, let's see. I'll show you. Look at this beauty. Okay, picture time.